How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. Now I'm going to cut this video a bit short because I've decided I'm going to return this thing and I'll talk about why. So this is the Trusted-50 cable for in-ear monitors. I'll just go over the specs over on the phone. So it has single strand liquid nitrogen 7 and OCC copper. It has oil impregnated graphene and silver plated palladium. If you go down, you can see the images. I bought this in the balanced version for the OCC PdAg and it works perfectly fine. There's no issues with it. But I do have a problem with a cable like this and nobody really mentioned it, and I'll talk about what it is. Is that the Hugo 2? No, it's one of the other one. Okay, but these are the pictures. I'll show you the actual cable. There it is. It's a very nice cable. It comes in this case. Ta-da! And I'm just gonna give you a close-up of it. So basically you have the balanced connector. The cable quality is exceptional, and there's the connectors, the QDC connectors. I didn't expect them, honestly, but I do have an issue with this cable. Now there is one thing I do need to mention: the chin adjustment. This one here, the chin adjustment. This thing doesn't really hold. Like it just feels like it's there just for design. Like it doesn't hold. Even if you turn the cable, it just unturns itself. So when you push this up against your chin or under your jaw to get a better grip of the in-ear monitors, it just comes back down. Like it just rolls all the way back down. The materials are amazing. The quality of the cable is amazing. Let's get to the point. As far as the quality goes, the quality of the cable is amazing, and so is the sound quality. The sound quality from this cable is amazing. It's actually a big step up from the stock cable that I'm using on the OCC PdAg. So here's the stock cable. It's, you know, single-ended. It's pretty cheap, garbage cable, but I have to use it because it's the only one I've got right now. Now, as far as the sound quality goes, there's a big jumping like everywhere. The sound stage is bigger, it's deeper, it's more dark sounding, so that's a good thing. The bass is deeper, the highs are very smooth, they have a slight sparkle to them, that's pretty nice, and the sound is smooth and airy. The sound stage does go a lot more holophonic, 3D-ish. So look, as far as the sound quality goes, it's much better than the stock cable. But the reason I'm going to return this, and nobody mentions this in any of the reviews on AliExpress or Amazon or even YouTube, this is an in-ear monitor cable. Why is it so heavy? I just don't get it. Why does nobody mention and complain about these things? I'm listening to whatever it is, and the IEMs just keep falling out of my ears. They twist themselves out sometimes because this thing, it doesn't seem to have a good grip around the ear. It just sort of goes down. Compared that to the stock cable, you can see it goes a bit more round. It goes around the hook and then around. This one, well, I mean, you can see how much of a turn it is. That's pretty much it. Nothing against the cable. I mean, you know, the quality is there. Everything is cool about it. Why doesn't anybody mention this? It just keeps falling off my ears because the cable is so bleeding heavy. I thought it was in-ear monitors. Maybe I've changed the tips. I tried all the tips with these. I tried different sitting positions. I tried holding this thing up. It is a bit stiff, okay? It is a bit stiff. It's not as flexible as this garbage cable, but I'm going to be honest with you, after using the stock cable, moving from this back to the stock cable, these are glued onto my ears, okay? They do not fall out. I can do a backflip, these won't fall out, okay? I'm not joking. These stick in my ears like glue with this cable on, and it just shows this is an amazing quality cable, but for me it doesn't work, and I'm sick and tired of people just not mentioning it. Okay, I do sound a bit angry, but I'm actually not. Nobody mentions this. You know, everybody's saying it's an amazing quality cable, blah blah blah. The sound quality is much better, obviously, but it just becomes a bit impractical when it doesn't flipping stay in your ear. So it's a bit annoying, and I am a bit upset because it's a very nice cable. But on the positive side, I do have another cable coming in. If you do have a different experience with this, please let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.